Right, I'm in Wantai and I'm off to a really cool restaurant called Loyal Dining. And what I'm after is some classic Cantonese comfort food. So come on, I'm hungry. I'm in Loyal Dining, and what they're really known for is fusing Western ingredients with Chinese flavors. The style of cooking is called soy sauce Western. What I'm here for is their barbecue char siu pork with runny egg on rice. Right, the food's arrived and I'm so excited. This here is the creme de la creme. Look at that, glistening char siu, pan-seared foie gras and golden egg. Right, I'm going in. Look at that char siu pork. Beautiful, succulent. It's sweet, it's savory, it's got a really nice bite. It's a pretty amazing succulent piece of meat. Beautiful fluffy rice. Magic. Let's go for the foie gras. Look at that sear, that golden color, that shine. This is a bowl of comfort food. I love the pork and egg dish at Loyal Dining. The soy sauce Western, the fusing of East and West has inspired me to create my Chinese style Scotch egg. I've got here 2 large organic eggs in a pan with 500 ml of water, seasoned with red braising sauce, premium dark soy sauce, 1 star anise. Turn the heat on, I'm gonna boil the eggs for 5 minutes, take them out, crack the eggs, back in the pan for another 5 minutes. While that's cooling, I'm gonna get on with my pork mince. I'm gonna season this with Lee Kum Kee's red braising sauce. Just a pinch of ground white pepper, teaspoon of Shaoxing rice wine, and also 1 spring onion finely sliced. Lee Kum Kee's oyster sauce. Good mix. Now, the eggs, I'm just going to peel them. Gorgeous. Look at those. Spoon some of this pork mince, nice thin layer. Just place one of the eggs like that. Then just bring all the 4 corners of the cling film together, twist and seal. Dip these eggs in flour, beaten egg, and then panko breadcrumbs. For extra crunch, I'm double coating it. Lastly, brush them with olive oil all over. They're gonna be baked in the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. Okay, super crunchy. Look at that, beautiful. And just garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Lee Kum Kee's sweet soy sauce, rich, dark, sweet, perfect with my Chinese style Scotch eggs.